I grew up in a community called Kulukulu, where women carried women. Birth? It was not a clinical event. It was communal. It was hands pressing into your lower back. It was aunties whispering prayers. It was food cooking in the kitchen while a new life came into the world. When I had my first baby, I was held. My mother was there. My family surrounded me. There were arms ready to receive my child. There were women who said, "Sleep, I've got you." And that is how birth is meant to feel. But then, life changed. I had my second, my third, and my fourth child alone. The first birth I had alone was at 3:12 a.m. The house was silent. The labor was powerful and intense. My body knew exactly what to do. The second one happened at 16:40. It was a big baby, over 4 kilos, strong, grounded, demanding the strength from me, which I didn't even know I still had. And the third one I consciously planned. She arrived at 1:59, 1 minute before 2. Coincidence? Maybe. But I spoke to my womb. Yes, I calculated. Yes, I tried to regain control after years of exhaustion. But each birth built a resilience. But resilience without support is survival. And survival is not the same as thriving. Women are often called strong, resilient, capable, unshakable. But what happens when a strong one has no one to hold? There were sleepless nights, breast engorged and painful, tears no one witnessed, and questions that I carried alone. I remember leaving the house messy, body aching, just to walk my daughter to the school and get her food to eat. And that was my rhythm for years. I functioned, endure, and to repeat. That was in Mulat Gase, number 53 to 55, door 14, Stige 4, door 14. And strength became armor. Hypervigilance replaced rest, and protection replaced softness. Very few people talk about what comes after. The documentation, the subtle judgments, the hospital visits. You're not immunizing. You did what? You gave birth at home. Why would you do that? And when you do this alone, it is heavy. When you're sleep deprived and healing, the system will feel less like support and more like interrogation. Home birth requires paperwork. Advocacy requires emotional stamina. And this begs a question. Do I want any woman to experience motherhood like that alone? No, not in isolation, because women were never meant to birth alone. And this is why I advocate for community-centered care, woman-to-woman care, one-on-one care. And my story is not about victimhood, it's about transformation. Women are not superhuman. Strong women deserve softness. And mothers, they deserve care, not just expectations.